Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, and I'm super excited to share it with you. Get ready to take your printing experience to the next level with the Canon PRO-2100 wide format fine art printer. This beast of a machine is designed to deliver exceptional quality and performance, and I'm here to give you the lowdown on what makes it so special. First off, let's talk about the peace of mind that comes with purchasing from a reputable reseller. CES Imaging is a Canon Platinum reseller, which means you're getting the best possible support and service for your new printer. This is a big deal, folks, because when you're investing in a high-end product like the Canon PRO-2100, you want to know that you're in good hands. With a Platinum reseller, you can trust that you're getting genuine Canon products, expert advice, and top-notch support. Now, let's dive into the warranty, because this is where things get really interesting. The Canon PRO-2100 comes with a 1-year on-site warranty, courtesy of Canon. This means that if anything goes wrong with your printer within the first year, Canon will send a technician to your location to fix it. No need to worry about shipping your printer back to the manufacturer or dealing with costly repair bills. This on-site warranty gives you the freedom to focus on what matters most: creating stunning prints and growing your business. But what really sets the Canon PRO-2100 apart is its exceptional print quality. With its advanced printing technology and wide range of compatible media, this printer is capable of producing truly breathtaking images. Whether you're a professional photographer, artist, or graphic designer, you'll love the level of detail and color accuracy that this printer delivers. And with its wide format capabilities, you can print large-scale images with ease, making it perfect for exhibitions, displays, and other high-impact applications. As I've been testing the Canon PRO-2100, I've been blown away by its performance and versatility. The printer is incredibly easy to use, with an intuitive interface and seamless integration with my computer and other devices. And with its robust construction and durable design, I have no doubt that it will withstand the demands of heavy use. Whether you're printing for personal or professional purposes, this printer is sure to exceed your expectations and take your work to the next level. In conclusion, the Canon PRO-2100 wide format fine art printer is an absolute powerhouse of a machine. With its exceptional print quality, robust construction, and comprehensive warranty, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. And with the peace of mind that comes with purchasing from a reputable reseller like CES Imaging, you can trust that you're making a solid investment in your creative future. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to learn more about the Canon PRO-2100 and discover how it can help you unlock your full creative potential. Don't just take my word for it. Experience the amazing